Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to the second last episode of Journey to Renewal on Bliss Bus. I am really excited for today's episode as we are going to talk about the story of one of my favorite leaders, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's see what we are going to learn from this story. So, let's start. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's celebrated scientist and former president, had a journey filled with perseverance and focus. Early on, Kalam faced financial hardship and took up various small jobs to support his family. He worked as a newspaper vendor and did other small odd jobs too. Despite the hard work, these tasks were not aligned with his larger ambitions. Much like we get involved in some small things or small jobs for bread and butter, but they are not aligned with our ambition or vision. We do it to support ourselves or our family or our loved ones. Or maybe just to eat, because we gotta live, right? Imagine if Kalam had focused on every little thing that could have distracted him, grumbling about why the newspaper stand was always poorly, complaining about why his boss seemed to flexing authority over little small matters, or obsessing over why the local shopkeeper always seemed to shortchange him or treats him in a very weird way. If Mr. Kalam had allowed himself to be bogged down by these small irritations, his vision of becoming a leading scientist might have remained just that, a normal, plain vision. Instead, Kalam chose to focus on his bigger goal, advancing his career in aerospace engineering and contributing to India's space and missile programs. He dealt with all the immediate financial needs without sulking into all such needs or working for it day and night. In fact, he prioritized his studies and long term goals over everyday grievances. Mr. Kalam avoided the common trap of letting small distractions derail his success, which most of us cannot do because we focus on minor inconveniences which keep popping up every day and petty annoyance like why this person is talking to me in such a way, why she's like that, why he's like that, why my boss seems to enjoy asserting authority. Obviously, he will, maybe she will, and unknowingly, all such things distract us from our bigger goals. From Mr. Kalam's amazing, inspiring story, we can learn one thing for sure, that if we stop getting bogged down by every minor issue, we can achieve significant aspirations and make a real impact. Let's kick off all the distractions and stay focused. We will all get where we want to someday, if not today. Share your stories of kicking such distractions away, far, far away from you, and staying focused. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care until next time and make some crazy Christmas plans. See you.